Hey there guys, welcome to Dinos Vault, and today I feature the 2013 Porsche 911 Carrera S, a car so iconic yet so perfect that most of the auto journalists who have driven it worldwide have rated it 5 out of 5 and call it an everyday exotic car that has been consistently exceptional over the years. This particular model that I am featuring today is also quite special in and of itself. This is the 2013 model that came with a significant amount of improvements compared to its preceding 997 series model. So what's so special about the all-new 991 series that premiered with this model is that this car has been built on a completely new platform. This one is 55 mm longer overall and comes with a startling 99 mm longer wheelbase compared to the 997 series model. The overall height is also reduced by a quarter inch, and this car gets a wider front end, thereby offering better road presence and a dominating demeanor. Now, powering this super slick sports car is a 3.8 liter V6 that puts out a glorious 400 horses and a blistering 440 Newton meters. The updated super fast 7-speed Porsche Doppelkupplung or dual clutch transmission weighs 100 pounds lesser on this model compared to its preceding model. Now, this car back then came with a 0 to 60 miles per hour claim of just 3.9 seconds, which almost translates into its 0 to 100 km per hour time. The top speed claim for this car is 185 miles per hour or 298 km per hour, which is fast by all means. Now, if you'd like to watch my review of the current gen Porsche Cayman 718, you can follow the link appearing on the screen currently. I also suggest that you watch my reviews of the Rolls-Royce Ghost, the Ferrari 488 GTB, the Lamborghini Huracan Coupe, and other exotic cars by following the link appearing on the screen currently. Once again, I'd like to thank my dear friend and brother Nishant Sabu, who shares the same passion and love for cars as I do, for allowing me to feature this iconic car for you guys. If you want to know how much it would cost to get Ceramic Pro 9H coating for your car or bike, you can call the number appearing on the screen currently. So go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video with some good music playing in the background.
Yeah, it's our time to shine. Yo, that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Give it what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And though I am not going through life regretfully, I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some odd job just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy, I'm getting there. Forgotten soul, so stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got squat, I fold, I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, knock, she home, it's shit, talk to close. I ain't stopping though, it's hip-hop, you know. Or is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping down, no, my pocket's grown. You can't stop the show, so get rockin' on. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make friends. Yeah. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up now. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up. Hard words like a weapon, attack with no questions. In my own section and they still disconnected, cause their mind's been infected and they're filled with objection. Too filled for recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention, cause I'm gaining their attention. Cause I'm making a connection, lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension. In my passion, my profession, I'm attacking my obsession. Taking action and progressing, I go off on the enemy, that's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies, I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost, others think I'll be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second. And my thoughts at the top, but my mind stay present. Don't let your dreams stop, cause dreaming is a blessing. They tell me all the same, told me I won't make a name. But it's not about the fame, it's about keeping me sane. So I stay within my lane, feel my blood pump through my veins. Feel adrenaline, no pain, welcome all to my domain. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up. for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make it. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never